Hello children, once again I welcome you all to our English session. Lesson 5, A Clean World, Part 3. Let's start today's session. Look deep activity. Yes, let's start the look deep activity. Read a conversation between two friends. Circle the questions and underline the answers. So here they have given conversation between two friends. We are going to circle the question and underline the answer. Let us see what are the questions given. Hi Karthik, are you worried? Yes, very good children. Are you worried is really a question. So what should we do? Circle. Are you worried? I have circled. Okay. The answer. Which is the answer here? Yes. Yes is the answer. So I am underlining the yes. The area around my home is very dirty. It smells bad. People are falling ill. Can you help me clean it? Yes, children, can you find the question here? Yes, this is the question. So I am circling the question. I have circled the question. Second conversation. Yes, can you help me clean it is a question. Here yes is again an answer. So I am underlining the answer. Can you help me clean it? The girl says yes. Can I bring my parents with me? Again a question, children. So I am circling that. She is asking whether she can bring her parents to clean that. So boy is saying, no, my parents will be there to help. Already he has some person to help. So he is saying no. No is the answer here. So I am underlining that. I hope you understood this activity. I have completed. You also complete this activity, children. Circle the question and underline the answer. The two friends asked each other questions. Observe that their response were either yes or no. Why I have underlined only yes or no means that is the only answer for that given question. Okay. So for the given question only one answer is yes or no. Such type of question is called closed question. As I told earlier, there are some questions that may just need a yes or no for an answer. Such questions are called closed questions. We need only yes or no. Why? To confirm whether our information is correct or wrong. That is the purpose of asking yes or no questions. These questions are otherwise called as yes or no type questions. We are confirming the information whether our information is right or wrong. We have learnt about questions who, what, when, where, why and how earlier. The questions we ask using these need more than just yes or no. For example, why should we keep our surrounding clean? Shall we say yes or no answer here? No, that will not be appropriate for this question. Why should we keep our surrounding clean? Because we can be healthy, we can feel pleasant. Complete information should be given as answer. So that type of question is not yes or no type question. They are WH questions. But this question, yes or no type of question is called closed question. It need only yes or no answer. Okay, let's see the examples. Fill in the blanks with your answers. Okay, first questions. Are you hungry? We can say yes or no. If you are hungry, you can say yes. Yes, I am hungry is the meaning for this. Yes. Am I your friend? Yes, you are my friend. Can I sleep here? Yes. These are the only answers, children. Don't forget, these are the only answers. If you give these answers to the given questions, the meaning will be this. Okay. Can I sleep here? Yes. If I say yes, what is the meaning for this? You can sleep here. That is the meaning for this. Is this a good restaurant? Yeah. No, it's not a good restaurant. Are you coming with us? No, I am not coming with you. Is Anita reading? Yes. Anita is reading is the meaning for this. Answer yes. I hope you all understood. Let's go to the next page. Am I reading? Yes is the only answer for this. What is the meaning? I am reading is the meaning. Okay, is the teacher standing in the picture? If she is standing, you have to give yes. If she is sitting, you have to give no. N O. No, you have to write in the dash. Okay, what is the answer? The teacher is not standing. So I should write here not. N O T, not. So children, as I said earlier, I am reading is a simple sentence, simple positive sentence. But here the teacher is not standing is a simple negative sentence because there is a word not comes. Okay, here also no answer comes. So that is the type of sentences. Okay, observe that we use is, are, am and can to ask such questions. If you use these words to ask question, the answer will be yes or no. So we are going to practice yes or no questions. Listen to me and repeat. Are your friends coming? And a question mark. Read the question. Are your friends coming? Next question. Can the dog swim? Can the dog swim? So for these two questions, we can give yes or no answer. Are your friends coming? We can write yes if the friends are coming. If the friends are not coming, we can write no. Can the dog swim? If that particular dog can swim, we can write yes. If the dog is not swimming, we can write no. That's all. Is your mother working? Is your mother working? Yes or no, you can write. Am I right? Am I right? If that person's answer is right, you can say yes. If that person's answer is wrong, you can say no. So let's go to the companion activity 5C. Answer the following questions about yourself. Remember to answer with yes or no. You are going to write the answer yes or no. Add a complete sentence to explain your response. Here we are going to add a complete sentence to explain our response, but usually we don't want to give the complete sentence. We can answer yes or no. One is done for you. For example, first sentence, are you hungry? Yes, I did not eat my breakfast. Okay, next one. No. Okay, the question is purple your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. So I am writing here, no, purple is not my favorite color. Otherwise, you can write, no, my favorite color is blue. Next one, are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Can you fly? No, I cannot fly. Are you happy today? Yes, I am happy today. Is your birthday next month? No, my birthday is not next month. Is basketball your favorite sport? No, basketball is not my favorite game or favorite sport. My favorite sport is cricket. Can you dance? Yes, I can dance. So these are some examples, children. You can practice this at home to frame more yes or no type questions. Next activity 5D. Rohan and Rahul are friends. Rohan is going to visit Rahul. They are talking over the phone about this. Help Rahul ask Rohan questions about his visit. Remember to ask questions that require only a yes or no response. You have to ask questions, children, but the answer should be yes or no. Based on the answer only, you are going to write the question now. Okay, they have given one example. Look at the example. Are you coming next week? No, I am coming next month. So this is the answer, this is the question. So they have given 3 answers. You are going to make questions for that. First answer is, no, I am coming with my grandparents. What question if you ask means, Rohan will say no. I have given one example. Are you coming with your parents? If I am asking like this means he will say no, I am coming with my grandparents. Next one, yes, it is long flight. It takes 15 hours. If I say what, if I ask which question, he will give the response like this. Yes, is it a long flight? Yes, it is a long flight. Third question, no, I cannot sleep. I will watch cartoons. Can you sleep? No, I cannot sleep. Based on the answer, you have to write the question, children. Yes, our bags are heavy. Which question if I ask, he will say yes. Is your bags are heavy? Yes, our bags are heavy. Yes, we are taking a taxi from the airport to your house. So if I ask, are you taking a taxi from the airport to our home? He will say yes. Great. See you soon, Rohan. I hope you all understood this activity, children. Next one, work in teams. Pick one sheet from the bunch your teacher gives you. Each sheet has the name of the cartoon character or a superhero. Here, this activity we can't do in the classroom, so you do it at home with your siblings or your friends. Write the superhero names or your favorite cartoon characters names and shuffle the chit and make your friends to pick up the chit and ask question to them. Okay, for example, one question I have given here, are you a superhero? If the chit contains the superhero name, your friend will say, yes, I am a superhero. For example, Superman or Batman or Spider-Man, if he has that name in the chit means, he will say, yes, I am a superhero. Okay, next question based on your wish, you can ask, can you fly? Yes, I can fly. If he is a superhero, if he is a Superman, he can fly. So, can you fly? If you ask means, he will say, yes, I can fly. So, based on the yes or no type question only, you have to ask children, keep it in mind. Complete this activity. Next one, think and ink activity. Before starting this, listen to the instruction, children. You are going to write your partner's name here. This is a pair activity actually. You make your parents or your friend as your partner and make this at home. Your partner name you have to mention first, then you have to write 2 lines about them. For example, I have given my friend name Nitya. Your partner's description in 2 sentences. She is a clever girl, she is a kind girl. I have given like this, so you can also write like this. How well do you know your partner? You are going to ask 5 set of questions. One question already they have given. Are you a student of class 2? They have given the question and answer. Yes. You can ask one question. Is Tom and Jerry your favorite cartoon? Like this you have to ask about their favorites, their day-to-day activities. They will say yes or no answer. From that you can know more about your friends. You can become more close friends using these questions. Is Tom and Jerry your favorite cartoon? Yes, Tom and Jerry is my favorite cartoon. Same way you can ask more questions to your friends. Last activity, before that think time, you mention whether you spoke politely to your partner, whether you listen to each other, whether you ask questions to yourself, waited for your turn to speak. All these you can think about yourself. This is a think time activity and you can tick the response. Okay. Yes, think back activity. Usually recall all the topics you have learned. Fill in the blanks with 3 questions. You are going to write 3 questions here. Yes or no answers. Remember that the question you start with is are, am or can. Okay, first question. Are you writing? Yes, I am writing is the answer. Here you have to write one more question. Are you listening? Are you dancing? Can you fly? Can you run? Like that you can ask more questions. Okay, I hope you all understood, children. You write 2 more questions here. I have given the answers for these 2 questions. Are you writing? Yes, I am writing. Are you at home? No, I am at school. These are my answers. But you have to write 2 more questions in this dash. Here and here you have to write 2 more questions. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Write more sentences and practice. I am giving you a home task that write 10 questions that is yes or no type questions using am, is, are, can. Okay, and write the response, that is the answers using yes or no with complete meaning. Thank you so much for listening, children. I hope you all understood. Bye bye, take care.